Hey guys, what's up? My dad decided to build a gaming computer for me for this Christmas. It's just a gift, you know, so I could game online and stuff. So he decided to build it. Since he decided to build it, there are a lot of parts that needed to be bought and put together. So we're gonna show you in this video how we put all the parts together, all the unboxings, and what all the parts were. So first, over here we've got the thing that makes it all together, the case. It's the Graphic Series 600T computer case. It's pretty much going to be a desktop, so we're gonna need this. Okay, secondly, while my dad goes get that, we also have
first thing, motherboard.
We also have the motherboard. We have decided to pick the. We have decided to pick the Asus Extreme Design.
They call it six.
P6X 58D.
58. That's it.
58. It's USB 3.0, which I think we're getting. And yeah, you know, specifications will be in the description.
And this is the video card we decided to go buy.
And here is the video card that we've decided to go buy. It took us a long time to find the exact video card we needed, but we decided we wanted the ATI Radeon HD 6870. This is a 3D stereoscopic because we're planning to play some 3D games to test them out. It has Radeon graphics and is compatible with AMD.
The power supply for the case.
And here is the power supply for the case. It's the Cooler Master from Silent Pro M. It's the 1000 watts.
So that's what you need for gaming?
That's what you need for gaming, to don't let it hurt up. Here we go, we have the DVD drive. And it is Blu-ray. Super multi Blu-ray, and it comes from LG, so full HD quality, BD10, okay, fast burning speed, and compatible with Windows 7, which obviously we are getting.
And you need cooler for the processor.
And you're gonna need a cooler for the processor, which we'll be showing soon. So it's gonna be really hot.
No.
The computer's gonna be really warm when you use it a lot. So we needed this cooler so that we could cool this, the processor. We have a Intel Core i7-950. It's really high in the Intel Core. Not just i7 but 950. It's really expensive.
And memory as well.
We also need the memory. We have the XMS3. It's a 6 GB memory.
DD3.
3D.
DD3.
Oh, sorry, DD3. I don't really know what I'm saying right now, so my dad's helping.
It's a triple channel.
It's a triple channel.
6 GB.
6 GB. Here we go. We have the.
That's the wood hard drive.
Wooded hard drive?
Wood hard drive.
Sorry, wood hard drive.
And this is what you should use for booting any game because it's really fast.
And this is what you should use to put any game because it's really fast.
To boot your computer.
To put inside your computer.
Boot.
Sorry, to boot your computer.
And this is normal hard drive. It's a second hard drive.
And here is the normal hard drive.
Second hard drive.
Second hard drive. Actually, it's 1.0 TB. It's not any amount of gigabyte because TB is the highest.
1 gigabyte. Triple.
It's 1 triple byte.
Yeah.
And that's higher than gigabyte. I think that's about 1,000 gigabyte.
And that's what you need to put on top of your processor to cool it off a little bit.
And this is what you're gonna need to put on top.
What do they call it? Tell me what they call it.
It's called the Arctic Mix 4. It's a thermal compound to once again cool the computer. Here is the first hard drive.
No.
No, sorry.
Cable. HDMI cable.
Here's the HDMI cable so that we could use to plug it into the monitor. It is 1.3 cable. It's a 1.3. It's a HDMI 1.3 cable. It's 3 foot. 1 second while we go pick up the phone. Okay, here's a clear preview of
Go one by one.
all the stuff that we need to build the computer. It's the video card. At the bottom, that big box is the case. We have the memory, the processor, the motherboard, and all the stuff that we need, even the Blu-ray, the power supply, and so on. Okay, now we're gonna get to unboxing all the products. Let's go. Okay, apparently we're not gonna do the unboxings. You could go check that out in other people's YouTube videos. We have a list of the accessories and of the things that we have.
When we put them all in the boxes, we're going to show you step by step.
So when we unbox all the boxes, we're going to show you step by step. That'll be in part 2 because I think this video is too long for the video length. So just click on my head and you'll be able to go to part 2. So